everyone, Vincenzo here with a new ukulele tutorial. This week, let's learn a masterpiece by Pink Floyd, Comfortably Numb. So, let's get straight to it. The chords that you need for this song are B minor, A, G, E minor, C, and D. Now that you know all the chords, let's start working on the verse. The strumming pattern for the verse goes like this. 3, 4, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Again, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Let's do it one more time. 3, 4, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. So, this is the chord progression. If you've noticed, you have two chords within one measure. I'm talking about G and E minor. This means you have to play two chords within one strumming pattern. And so it goes like this. 3, 4, G, E minor. Now let me play the entire verse for you. 3, 4, B minor, A, G, E minor, B minor, B minor, A, G, E minor, B minor, B minor, and A, G, E minor, B minor. Okay, before working on the chorus, let me tell you a bit more about the verse. So, if for the verse you want to play something closer to the original recording, when you reach G and E minor, change your strumming pattern to this. 3, 4. So, I'm strumming down G twice. Then I strum down this, so you have second fret on the third and on the second string, and the other two strings are muted. You see? And then you strum down E minor twice. All together 3, 4, and again 3, 4. In case you find muting the strings difficult, you can play this chord. This is a G major 7. And so it will go like this. 3, 4. I prefer the first option, but the second one works too. Now it's time for the chorus. Let's divide it in two parts. The strumming pattern for the first part goes like this. 3, 4. Down, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. Again, 3, 4. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down. This is the chord progression for the first part of the chorus. Let me play it for you. 3, 4, D, A, D, and A, C, G, C, and G. Okay, so you repeat this part one more time and then you have the second part of the chorus. So, this is the chord progression. Here you have two options. So, you can simply keep using the strumming pattern you used for the first part of the chorus, and so it will go like this. Or you can play this. 3, 4. Let's break it down. For A, you have more or less the same strumming pattern you used in the chorus. In fact, it goes down, up, down, down, up, down, then muted, and then up with this shape. This is a G, and I'm adding a B with my ring finger. You see? If you have a low G ukulele, this chord will be G with B on the bass, and it's gonna sound even better. By the way, you can also play this chord like this if you prefer. Let me play this again. 3, 4. After this, you have C and G, and you strum them twice, like this. And for the last chord, D, you play the same strumming pattern of the verse. Let's play this entire part one more time. 3, 4. And now let me play the entire chorus for you. Remember, the first part of the chorus is repeated twice. 3, 4, D, A, D, A, C, and G, C, and G, D, and A, D, and A, C, and G, C, and G, A, G, C, G, and D. Okay, so now you know all the parts that you need to play the entire song. In fact, the famous solos of this song are based on the chord progressions you've learned. The first solo is based on the chorus, and the second one is based on the verse. Let me just say something about the intro. Here you have two measures of B minor, but in the second measure the guitar is playing this sharp, which is the major third of B, and so it sounds like they're going to be major. Therefore, if you want to play the intro, you have two options. Option 1, you simply play two measures of B minor. Option 2, you play B minor for the first measure and B major, you know this shape, for the second one. Either way, you can just use the strumming pattern of the verse. Now let's have a play along. I'm gonna be playing the verse and the chorus, and then you can decide how to arrange your own cover of Comfortably Numb. The tempo of the play along will be 64 BPM. Having said that, get ready, you're about to start playing. of this tutorial was to give you an overview of Comfortably Numb by Pink Floyd, so that you can put together your own cover of it. And by the way, if you would like a tutorial on the solos, let me know in the comments. On my Patreon page, you can find the chord chart and the backing tracks that you need for practicing this. You have 3 backing tracks, one at the original tempo, one slower and another one even slower. By the way, don't forget that if you learned something from this video and you would like to say thank you, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. One more thing, this song works very well to practice strumming pattern variations. What I mean by that is playing these sort of things. And so on and so on. If you want to learn more about this, check out this tutorial and see if you can add some of these variations in your playing. Also, if you want to take your playing to the next level, have a look at my free course here on YouTube and download my free 8-step roadmap, link in the description, that will tell you the exact process I follow to learn the ukulele. Moreover, check out all the other links in the description to learn more about the types of classes that I got available at the moment. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my new tutorials. Having said that, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next week. Ciao!